What is that? Cream. It's a different color. Is it a certain kind of flavor? What flavor is that? It looks kind of like maybe blueberry. Looks yummy.
And then you put some strawberries.
Mmm. I love strawberries.
And then you spread some more.
Wow. So it's like a double layer.
And last you eat it.
Last is the best thing.
Go for it.
Tasting your creations is so fun. Whoa! How did you fit that whole big thing in your mouth? How does it taste, Chef Sincere? She gave it a 2 thumbs up. That was a yummy snack. And I have a question. Where did you get that idea for this snack?
From the store.
From the store, so you just made it up, that recipe, all by yourself? Wow. Boys and girls, let's give her a big round of applause. She used great math words.